In this video, I'm going to show you how to access NinjaTrader account dashboard. Now, there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. The first one is going to be from inside NinjaTrader, so the desktop app. You can just go to your control center up top and you want to click on Tools. Now, inside Tools, you want to click on Client Dashboard, and it's going to open up your account dashboard from NinjaTrader directly here inside NinjaTrader, okay? So as you can see, that's essentially it, okay? That's the first way to do this, but of course you could also open it inside a browser, and to achieve this, you simply want to go to this link, which is of course from their default website, account.ninjatrader.com, and then in here you can just go and sign in however you want. You could do of course Google, Apple, or email and password, whatever method you usually use. It's going to start loading, and there we go. This is now your NinjaTrader account dashboard, where you can then go and do whatever you want to do in here, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.